You pass by it every day. You flip the switch. A warm, soft glow fills the room. The light feels calm, clean. But what if the thing giving you that peace is quietly collecting dust, stains, and allergens? I'm talking about that elegant silk lampshade, the one that looks delicate, maybe vintage, maybe expensive, and definitely impossible to clean. Or so you thought. Because today, I'll show you how to clean a silk lampshade the right way, without ruining it, fading it, or ripping the fabric. But before we begin, hit like, tap subscribe to The Big Sweep, and stay with me. Because your lampshade is more fragile and more fixable than you think. Why silk lampshades get dirty without you noticing. Here's what makes silk lampshades tricky. They don't show dirt immediately. Unlike countertops or dishes, silk fades slowly under dust, loses its luster with time, and can even trap odors from candles, cooking, or smoke. And because it's not in your regular cleaning list, weeks turn into months. And suddenly, that once beautiful cream-colored silk is now dull, grayish, and tired-looking. But instead of replacing it, we restore it. Gently, safely, and with a little patience. Step 1. Dry dusting. Always start dry. Never ever spray anything on a silk lampshade without removing the dry dust first. That's the #1 rule. Start by unplugging the lamp and carefully removing the shade. Take it to a clean, open space, away from the carpet or furniture. Using a soft microfiber cloth, a dry paintbrush, or even a vacuum with a soft brush attachment, gently sweep the surface from top to bottom. Always brush in the same direction, no circles, no back and forth. You'll be shocked at how much dust comes off in this step alone. Already, the color will brighten a little. That's your first small win. Step 2. Spot cleaning with a silk-safe solution. Now, if there are watermarks, fingerprints, or stains, don't panic. You can spot clean silk, but it must be done with care. Mix a small amount of mild detergent, like baby shampoo or a delicate fabric cleaner, with cool distilled water. Never use hot water. Dip a clean white cloth into the solution and wring it out completely. It should be just barely damp. Gently blot, don't rub, the stained area. Always test a hidden spot first. And once you blot, follow immediately with a second dry cloth to absorb any moisture. Don't soak. Don't scrub. Silk hates friction. Bonus: natural freshness without perfume. Want your silk shade to smell clean again without spraying artificial fragrances? Here's a trick. Place a small open bowl of baking soda or a sachet of dried lavender nearby overnight. The silk will slowly absorb the freshness without any direct contact. This is especially helpful if your lamp is near the kitchen or has absorbed smoke over time. What not to do with silk lampshades? Please avoid these common mistakes, because one wrong move can destroy your shade for good. Never soak the entire shade in water. Never use bleach, alcohol, or vinegar, even diluted. Never scrub or twist the fabric. Never use heat to dry it quickly. Never forget to test cleaning solutions on a hidden spot first. Silk is unforgiving, but it's also incredibly rewarding when handled right. Why? This matters more than you think. You might be thinking, it's just a lampshade. But think about this. How many things in our homes do we ignore until they fall apart? That silk shade is part of your atmosphere, your lighting, your space. And when it's clean, the whole room feels different. Softer, brighter, more intentional. It's not just about dust. It's about respect for the details we overlook every day. Recap: the Silk Shade Rescue Plan. Let's summarize the journey. Remove the shade and gently dry dust with soft tools. Spot clean stains using mild detergent and distilled water. Blot, don't rub. Air dry in indirect light, slowly and naturally. Freshen it up with baking soda or lavender, not chemicals. Avoid heat, soaking, harsh products, or aggressive cleaning. Do this once every few months, and your silk lampshade will stay glowing, not just with light, but with life. Outro. Like, subscribe, and share your story. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical home care tips, and let me know in the comments, what's the most delicate thing in your home you've tried to clean, and how did it go? Let's celebrate small wins, one elegant shade at a time.